Hi guys, I am the TTL from Fernando R. Ledesma High School. My name is Robert Lenart, and I'm going to do a quick explanation of how to use Kami's split and merge. And I'm on a Mac, so I'm in Chrome, and what I want you to do is locate the Kami extension, which is up in your extensions folder up here in Chrome. So I'm going to zoom out, I'm going to click on it, and that's going to bring me into the Kami dashboard. If you've been using Kami for things, your recent documents will be over here, but we're interested in this area right here called split and merge. So as it says, it'll mix and match existing files to create new resources or files. So I'm going to click on that. Split and merge comes up, and I'm going to pull my Chrome down because I have a document here. I'm going to double click on it so you can see what it looks like. It's one of the assignments that we use in Integrated Math 1A Fall, and it's just one of the assignments that we use for our Chapter 1 Math. So it is 34 pages long. You can think of this, so I'm going to close it. You can think of this as a document that has 34 stapled pages together. So split and merge does exactly what the title suggests. When I drop this into the add files, it's now going to split it, or metaphorically unstaple the document. So now what you see is my 34 pages lined up horizontally, and they will decode here in a couple of seconds. So here's what you can do with that. So right now I have the entire document up here. I could export it out, maybe change the name, but that would be silly. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to click on the first page, and I could click on, and I'm clicking without holding the shift key. So now I'm going to hold the shift key, and I can select as many pages as I want. I'm going to deselect everything. I'm going to click on the first page, and I'm going to go all the way up to, let's see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Holding the shift key grabs all 10. I'm going to pull those pages down to this next row. So I have 10 pages. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to go all the way to the 10th one, and I'm going to pull this down to a second line. So I have 10, 20, 1. I'm going to click, hold, and we'll go right to here, and we'll bring that down to the next line, and then I've got 4 pages left. I'm going to click and hold. This is a blank page, so I'm going to leave that out. And so now I have broken up my 34-page document into 4 sections, 3 of 10 pages each, and the last one of 4. Now, you can export each one of these as its own PDF file. I'm just going to do the first one, export, download to files. You can open it in Kami or send it to Google Drive, but I'm going to download it to files. I'm going to continue. And so now it says download file. So I'm going to click that, and it's now going to open this up. Let's see, new copy. All right. So now I have my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, should be all the way to about the 10th page. I don't know if these are numbered correctly. It says page 8, but it is 10 pages. Now, this file, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick download, because I'm just going to cheat here. I'm going to quickly download it so it pops up in my downloads folder, and let's pull this down, go back here, and I'm going to pull this onto my desktop so you can see what I've done. And if I double click on this, I now have 1 through 10, and you'll see that some of these pages weren't labeled. That's why you saw page 8 at the bottom. But this is an excellent way to mix, match, and recreate PDFs into smaller sections. So, and what you'll notice when I actually set up files for Kami to be used by my students, I'm going to click on Brianna's here, and as soon as it comes up, you will see that I typically break things up into either 3 or 4 4 pages. So let me zoom out on this just a tad. So this is 1, 2, 3 pages. So this is 3 pages worth of work, and I find this is a good size to give them to work on. I'm going to end this video now.